Hey, welcome to the show. We have an amazing, fun, inflatable bouncer for you. It's the Christmas-themed bouncy house from InKach. It comes with a 450-watt air blower, a carrying bag, repair patches, and manual. It's easy to set up. You roll it out, connect it to the blower, and boom, it sets itself up. It has a long, fun slide, and it's super fun to go down. Then there's the play area where you can put balls and roll around. You also have a bouncy castle where you can do jumps, flips, and run around. This is surrounded with a safety net to protect you from falling out. The bouncy house also has a climbing wall with foot and hand straps. And once you climb to the top, you can once again slide down the slide of your Christmas-themed bouncer to start again. Check out all the different colors and features. We own a few bouncy houses, and this is my children's favorite. They get plenty of exercise going up the climbing wall, down the slide, and jumping around. When I first bought it, I was surprised to see it shipped out so fast. The bouncy house comes with extra patches, but after a few weeks now, I haven't had any tears or holes, but I would recommend laying down a tarp underneath it just to protect the bouncy house. Taking it down is simple and easy to store away, and then bring it out again. We use it almost every week to play in. This could be a great hit for your Christmas yard decorations, indoor Christmas party, or just enjoying some cool fun time during the summer day. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. I will leave a link to this Christmas-themed bouncy house down in the description of this video, and please like and subscribe our video. And have a great day. Adios. Goodbye.